Hello everyone, Lyssa here. I'd like to extend an invitation to you to join us at the Lemurian Life Expo in August 2025. Lemuria for me, in terms of the teachings that I've received, might be a little bit different than what you've heard in other ways. For me, Lemuria is not so much of a place as it represents an era. And that era occurred on Earth between 13 and 26,000 years ago. So it was a time period when our civilization was ascending and we were having open contact with extraterrestrial beings. During that time, we had the potential to ascend and awaken as a civilization. But in terms of the eyes of the universe, it wasn't our time yet. And so our planet then began to enter a sleep cycle. We explored that sleep cycle, which Sasha has talked about as referring to it as the Atlantean Era. However, that was the last 13,000 years. And now we're moving into a new cycle of spring, and eventually a cycle of summer that all civilizations experienced. But this time, our civilization has a lot of momentum behind it for evolution. And therefore, our guides and our mentors really feel that in this next cycle, we will have the awakening of Earth. So events such as this conference allows us to explore the new cycle of awakening, the new spring cycle, leading to the summer cycle of the heightened civilization. And as we begin to explore this, we move ourselves to a new level of awareness. Of course, the community around us that we share with during the conference as well helps to build that energy even further. So I'm really, really looking forward to the event as a way to begin to activate and remember that cycle when we were this close to awakening. And now we have the momentum behind us to do so.